Alrighty guys, so we have now made it to Kona, Hawaii, on the Big Island, and we have actually been here for a little bit and we're messy. So I am going to show you guys the condo that we're staying at, just because it's a really cool place. It's actually my favorite that we've stayed at so far. There's actually a full bedroom and 2 baths. And a really cool balcony with a really awesome view. The sun has just about set, which I'm kind of upset at myself for letting it completely set before I make this video, but you know me, I have to do everything at the worst time possible. So that's what we're gonna do today, because that's just part of who I am as a person. But yes, let me show you guys where we are staying. It is a full condo. Some people live here, some people only rent it out, but I'm gonna give you a little bit of a tour. So we're here for only 1 more week, so we kind of had to make it our best week in a way. But yeah, so here's the door. You walk in and there's this hallway entryway with some wall art. It's really cool. I really like the leaves. They have those everywhere in Hawaii. So yeah, just a little entryway, and then you turn. Another really cool leaf. They're called Monstrea leaves. Again, like I said, everything is already messy. We've already slept in these, in the beds and used the kitchen and all that. So just warning you, it is messy. But and then the restroom. You know, it's just a pretty nice little basic restroom. And then we go this way, and we have the second bathroom. So my parents have one, and then we have a second bathroom, so we don't have to wait for them to brush their teeth or take a shower, which is really nice. And then we come this way, and we have this little closet. It's got a washer and dryer, which is really awesome, because last time we did laundry at a hotel, it was like 12 bucks total for like 3 loads. It's kind of ridiculous to me. But now we have our own washer and dryer, so we don't have to pay for every time we use a washer and every time we use a dryer. So yeah, it's actually cheaper than one of the places we've stayed at. So it's not like we're paying an outrageous amount for it. But yeah, I just thought that was really cool. Anyway, we have a really messy kitchen. You know, we have a dishwasher, we have the microwave, and we have a full-size fridge, which we haven't had in any of the places that we've stayed so far. We have a full, entirely messy dining room and living room, and this is a pull-out bed that we are using, and it goes right out here. It is nighttime, but yeah, this is our view of the beach. The sun is just about set. It's pretty dark. Alrighty guys, it's like 12 p.m. right now, and I know that I gave you a tour from our balcony and of our condo, but I just wanted to do it during the day so that you can see it again. Like, oh, the weather is so nice today. I don't know what we're doing yet, but I want to find something to do because it's just so pretty. Alright guys, we're just sitting out here on the balcony tonight eating some poke. This is actually some fish that we caught ourselves, and I put some vegetables in it like some squash, zucchini, onions, and some rice. So I'm about to eat that and just sit out here and enjoy my view. Alright, so I can't even like fake this. Should we just take a second to appreciate the sunset? Like, it looks like cotton candy. Cotton candy dreams. I don't know, I'm just amazed. Just amazed. Good morning guys, how you doing? Today is our last full day in Hawaii, well other than tomorrow, but we get dropped off at the airport at 5:30 tomorrow. So today we're going to be doing what I've been wanting to do for most of the trip, other than look at the beach, of course, and sightsee. We're going to be getting an acai bowl, thrift shopping, and things did get a little bit out of hand at IHOP, so I'm not going to be going to the coffee shop I wanted because this is my third cup of coffee for the day, and I figured I should probably not do that ever again anymore because I'm already feeling pretty anxious and jittery. So yeah, so my parents are getting tattoos today, so I have the car and I am going to be looking up basically all the thrift stores in this town, which is Kona on the Big Island. It was our favorite spot the entire trip. We have gone to 4 different islands total on our trip. This one to start, Big Island, and then we went to Oahu, which is where Honolulu and Waikiki Beach is, and that's where I got my tattoo. And then we went to Maui, which was really pretty. I think that's my second favorite. And then we went to this little island called Lanai. So I'm gonna be looking up all the thrift stores in this little Kona town and see what is up. And I think we're gonna start at Salvation Army they have a place called Ohana Thrift Store. So yeah, I'm gonna be bringing you guys along, drinking my third cup of coffee. Okay, the first two that I had at IHOP were only about this full, and then I asked for one to go because it was free refills. Why not? Like, I'm gonna take what I can get, and they gave me this whole thing. So I don't know, maybe tonight I'll drink more, but it's been really out of hand here. It's been really out of hand. So yeah, anyway, let's start thrift shopping. Yeah, this first place was definitely a success, right? Don't you think? We got 6, I'm letting it adjust. We got 6 items total, and then we're like $3 each. I'll show you more of them later. Let's see where we are going to next.
Turn right onto Kuakini Highway.
Oh my gosh. Felt like Texas in that store. It's got me sweating. Sweating? Nope. Got a pair of shorts, but that's about it. That store was kind of a fail. We were in a little bit of a rush to look because it's so hot and it's raining and it's humid. Reminded me of home. Do what? Oh, another good. Right, we take a break from thrift shopping so that we can do some, wow, there's a mess already. So that we could do some acai bowls.
Don't record me.
The whole time I have been here in Hawaii, I've been wanting some acai bowls, but I just haven't found the time or place.
I'm struggling.
We haven't found the time or the place to go and get some acai bowls. So since today is our last, basically our last day in Hawaii, we decided to stop and get some. But Hawaii is beautiful and all, you know, it's a really cool place. But it's two big issues. No public restrooms and no parking. So we are in a no parking, well, pay to park area, and we didn't pay to park. Because I didn't know that until we already got out.
The restroom issue is real.
Yeah.
Like,
Also, no public restrooms. I'd have to walk like a mile to go to the restroom right now unless I was to go find a place to hide, which in this town specifically, there's not really a lot of places to hide. So, we have to drive all the way back to our hotel while my acai bowl melts so that I can use the restroom and have somewhere to sit while I eat it. So that's what we're gonna go do. And then we're going thrift shopping. But this view is a lot better anyway. Right, we finished our acai bowls and they did not disappoint at all. They were so good. I don't even know what the purple stuff in it was, like what the smoothie was made out of. I think it's some kind of like blueberry smoothie. The waves are getting really big, but it was really good. All right, we just left our third thrift store and I think we're done thrifting for a while because we still have to do some shopping later, but for souvenirs for people and shopping for other people is not as fun.
A lot prettier during the day.
Good morning, guys. What is up? As you can see, I am back in Texas. It is the not the next morning, but the morning after the last clip of me thrift shopping. Thank you guys for watching the mess that is my vlogs, my messy put together vlogs. But we are back home. We are doing our unpacking here. As you can see, it is a complete mess, but I did not show you guys the night of what I got whenever I was thrift shopping, so what better time to do that than now. I'm gonna start with this. So this is the first thing that I got. It's just a t-shirt. It's got a cool little polar bear, you know. Well, I'm thinking it's polar bear because the design is in marble. Yeah, you know, it's just a basic shirt I could wear with like some jeans. It was only 50 cents. So, you know, big spender here. I had to get it. It was only 50 cents. It's pretty, you know, solid. It's not a lot of crazy colors or designs. So I got that. I got this little polo dress shirt here. And let's see if you can tell the design. There we go. That's that kind of design, and it's like a really soft fabric. All right, the next one that I got is this. I had to get one of these, you know. It's just a Hawaii vibe shirt. Why would I not get at least one of these at a Hawaii thrift store? Like aloha shirts are what they are called, and it's almost like the continental US suit. So like, you know, people wear suits to work, but in Hawaii it's really cool because instead, like, you know, professionals, they go to their job and they get to wear aloha shirts with like some khakis or some type of slacks, you know. So this was my most expensive purchase at a thrift store for one item. This was the most expensive thing I got. It's only $8, so, you know, I had a splurge there. Because, you know, I'm on vacation in Hawaii. Why not get an $8 shirt? But I did get a couple of sweaters. These were each only $3. Here is one of them. It's just a quarter zip, but it is very huge. But I like it. You know, it's solid. It's blue. Blue is one of my favorite colors. And then I also got this one, which is another quarter zip. So another thing that I got 2 pairs of slacks, and these are one of them. You know, I don't really know if it's black or dark blue, but either way, I like them. Then another pair, I had to get 2 pairs of slacks because I've been needing some new dress pants really bad. I've been needing new clothes, period. But they are Banana Republic. Banana Republic slacks. They're in super good shape. I was so shocked whenever they said $3 because, you know, they're in great shape. There's nothing wrong with them. Absolutely nothing. I don't even know. Like, I feel like the person didn't even really wear them that much. I just thought I would finish off this vlog by showing you guys what I got while I was thrift shopping. Thank you guys for watching my Hawaii vlogs, or Hawaii vlog. Yeah, I had a lot of fun. You know, I spent 24 days there. Few things that I really wanted to do before I even went was, you know, get this tattoo, which I honestly love. I'm gonna show you guys in every vlog for a while. Like, why? I'm ready for my next one, honestly. And I cannot wait to go back, especially after spending 24 days in a place like Hawaii and then coming back to Texas. I'm just ready to go back. But I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a like, subscribe, comment down below some things that you thought about my videos. What do you want to see in the future? So I will see you guys in the next one, and I hope you guys have a great day.